1. Why Rail Budget? GS Paper 3, Government Budgeting. What is the issue is about? Niti Aayog in its recent report has recommended to the PM to stop the convention of having a separate rail budget. The PMO has asked the Railway Ministry to respond. What does the report say? The report says that the separate rail budget has not been of use to the railway sector and has only become a mechanism to announce the popular measures. Railways Minister have been using it to announce populist measures like new trains, stopping the existing trains and giving freebies. Seldom has the budget touched upon the matters related to making the fares more viable or the need to augment the capacity. Separate railway budget brings along media and public visibility and hence, the ministry tries to make the budget populist. Also, a lot of resources are being wasted in creating a separate budget and the relation between the finance ministry and railways has become complicated due to this separation. Is ending the separation of railways budget a solution? Assuming that merging the railway budget with annual financial statement, union budget, will end populism is wrong. Railways is the lifeline of the people and no matter if the budget is separated or merged it will be looked upon by the citizens with a keen eye. Also blaming the media and people for populism and completely ignoring the politicians who use the budget themselves to gain popular support is also no correct. However, merging the railway budget with union budget has its own advantages. A railway budget within the union budget would not decrease the importance of railways as many believe. In fact, the budget would become more streamlined and consensual with the involvement of the government right from the start. As already said, the process of a separate budget consumes a lot of resources. So a merged budget will cater to this problem. Railways should focus on better accounting practices and better tab on finances rather than focusing on a nearly separate budget. When did this practice started? The East India Railway Committee, chaired by Sir William Ackworth, hence also known as the Ackworth Committee, pointed out the need for unified management of the entire railway system. On the recommendations of this committee and ratification of the resolution for separation in 1924, the government took over the actual management of all the railways, and also separated the railway finances from the general governmental finances, leading to the practice of presenting the railway budget separately from the general budget of India every year.